Hello friends, in this video I wanna introduce the buffed weapons and new meta of the game. The Holger 556 has a good range and damage increase, and I think it can be a good long range gun. Brun MK9 has been buffed in mobility and aim speed. With a 60 magazine, it can be a good sniper support, and it is also a meta at long range. My favorite weapon, Lakman Sub, also has a good damage increase and we can use it. Ram 9 is still as brutal and some of its barrel have become stronger. WSP9 has become the most special meta of this season, which is worth trying. Well, let me show you some good loadouts. For Lakman Sub, you can try these changes for hip fire. It gives you high hip fire accuracy and the ability to move quickly. For MK9, you can use these attachments. If the horizontal recoil bothers you, you can use Kaz's brake or Jack BFP. Of course, Jack BFP shows the location and direction of your shooting to the enemy. I tried this combination of Ram 9 myself. The piercing power is good with the hip fire and the speed. Use these two combination of HRM9 and comment on the result. I have given you 3 loadouts for WSP9, so you can use one according to your game style. I hope you enjoy my video and forgive me for my poor English. I will improve with your support and comment. And I'm glad you watched the rest of the video.
Olur, خوش نمی‌کنم olur.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. That's a win. Proper job. Enemy dropping in. Stun grenade out. Flash out! Go for the win! Requesting recon.
Copy that. UAV online and orbiting the AO.